Oh, pakitawag ng pangalan.
Ang talaging-ding natin si Miss Erlinda!
Palakpakan naman natin. Ay, Blandina. Diyos mio, ang sex. Ayaw mo mag-violet. Ayaw niyo mag-violet. Ha?
May umaapil na dito.
Nag-iisang fan mo. Naka-violet din.
Magkapatid.
Sino yun? Kapatid. Oh, sinabi na nga, babe.
Ano mo na yung mga ganyan, yung magkakamag-anak lang? Kasi wala ka na ba ibang kasama dito kapamilya? Umaapil na talaga si ate.
Si ate tawa ng tawa. Ate, ilang taong ka na?
Secret!
Si ate nag-isip. Diyos ko po.
Nagko-confuse.
Huhulaan ko kung ilang taong ka na.
Ay! Bulong mo lang.
Oh, 14! Ay, si ate.
Puberty stage.
Ha? Ay, no. Kaya pala Blandina.
Ano yung kakantahin mo?
Nakikimiyaw din siya.
I will survive.
Ayan naman pala. I will survive. Bagay na bagay. Ay, nagre-reklamo ka. Palagay ka ng aircon dito. Mainit daw. Diyos me.
Bukas pa-centralize na itong part.
Pasentalize na. Ah, sige, bago ang lahat, pakantayin na natin si ate. Parang sayaw na siya. Ready ka na ba, ate?
Mga bukas, ready ka na.
Oo, bumaba ka muna, mamaya ka na. Di ba pala eh? Hindi na. Joke lang si ate. Okay, palakpakan po natin si ate.
Erlinda!
Magandang hapon po.
Blanket. Oh, sa blanket? Yeah.
First I was afraid and I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you're in your home. Night was strong, and I learned how to feel love, and so you're back. Just looking to find you hear me. That's a look on your face. Should
Hindi ko alam kung politis nangampanya pa eh. Si running for
Ayan po ang
office.
tinatawag na audience impact.
Oo,
Na-impact
kuha mo
naman
na.
kayo, di ba? Very impactful siya.
Oo, hiningal talaga siya. Talo ka, Apple, talo ka.
Sorry to say.
But that was good, that was fun.
Okay,
Well,
that's
I
very
had
fun.
yeah.
How did you judges like? You can't tell us.
Okay.
Obviously. Okay.
Let's call on our, is it our
Hi.
fifth
Our
contestant now?
fifth contestant, and he's very cute. Palakpakan